How to sell digital invitations on Etsy using Canva. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a digital invitation and also use it to be sold on Etsy. So we are going to use the design option right there or platform, which is Canva, to create these type of the invitations. So it is very easy, very simple. Follow the tutorial from the beginning to the end, and you are going to be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to head over Etsy.com, sign in for an account, and here we have it. The second thing that you need to do is to head over Canva, create an account with it, and also we are going to create our right there invitation. So here I am on Canva, so I will start the work. How we are going to be starting, we are going to type in here on the search bar invitation, and maybe we are going to see some templates. And for the sizing, we are going to see maybe something that is going to have here the same sizes. So basically the invitations are going to be in between 5 by 7 inches and a little bit maybe below. So if you are going to ignore all of these, you can go ahead and click on create a blank from here, or you can go ahead and create a new design from here. Then you are going to click on custom size. The width is going to be here 5 and the height is going to be 7. So here you're going to see an error because the unit is going to be in pixels. So we are going to put it in inches. So we are going to put here 5 and 7, and here we have the correct, as you can see, design. So as you can see from the suggestions, we have invitations. It is going to be suggested for you. So let's go ahead here and create one from scratch. We are going to create a blank one, and let's get some ideas about the invitation. We can go ahead and see here the designs that are going to be popping. And also we are going to be from these inspired. So basically from this time of the month, we are going to be preparing the Christmas invitation parties or Christmas Eves. So we are going to get here maybe something like here we are going to see the elements. We're going to type in Christmas. For example, we are going to see here the graphics, the photos, the videos. So we are going to see here the photos. Maybe we are going to get a background. So basically, I'm going to get a background like everyone. So maybe with this one. So let's see. This is a premium one, so I'm not going to use that. Let's see a free one. So something like this, maybe. I'm going to put it like this, get it like that, and maybe it is going to be well like that, or we can go ahead and see for another one. So we can also get something like this. I'm going to rotate this. So we are going to flip it. Not, not like this, but I'm going to make a rotation. Something like that. I'm going to make it here, there, and we are going to put it like this. I think that this is better. Now, what we're going to do is to add some elements. We're going to see here for Christmas, what do we will have here? Maybe some graphics. The graphics are going to be amazing. So here we are going to get this like that. I'm going to incline it a little bit, put it here. Now I need it for the title. So what are we going to need? Also something else like this, maybe like that, the ginger cake or the thing right there. So what we're going to do is to add it here. And what are we going to do now is to see other things. So we are going only to use the free ones. So this, I don't think that the color will go well here, but we are going to head over the title. So I'm going to put a big heading like here, Christmas, like that, party, for example, or Eve party, like that. So what we're going to do is to change the font to see something better. So maybe you're going to put on something that is going to be aesthetic for the season. Maybe like this. I'm going to select all. So this is not, maybe this one. This is better. And maybe we can add the, let's say here, the neon effect. So we're going to make it a little bit like this. And here, what we're going to do is to change the color to something like this. And we are going to head over the effect and see the intensity. Something like that is better. Now, what I'm going to do is to add over here a layer of a shape. I'm going to add a shape here. And this shape is going to cover here the title. So it is not going to be confused. And also it's going to be something that we can control. So I'm going to make it like this. So here, basically, we are going to change the color of the background of this one, of this layer. So maybe we're going to put it white or this, something like that. I'm going to put it white so it will match here everything. So I'm going to get here this. I'm going to put the position forward and here we have it. I'm going to also to push it forward just like that. So now what we're going to do is to add the date, and also I'm going to put this 90°. So we are going to put it here. In this case, I'm going to put the date and the time, and here we are going to put maybe the, let's say, the address. So I'm going to add another here, put on the white color. So we are going to put it here and duplicate it to put it there. So now what we're going to do is to head over the text. We're going to add some subheading, for example, the date. For example, we are going to type in here maybe Friday. So we are going to put in here the date 20. For example, I don't know here, the date is going to be something like that at, for example, 22 or 10 p.m. For example, like that. I'm going to put it just like this. So we are going to put it like this. Now we can add some effects to this specific one. We're going to put it here. And we are going to duplicate here the offer, but we are going to put here the address. For example, 13 STR Street, for example, New York, like that. We are going to put here Manhattan, something like this. So we are going to put it a little bit smaller maybe, or to fill up here the entire one. So maybe we're going to change the effect of it to something like this, and this to this. Maybe this is better. Now we are going to put here a big heading, tax invitation. Boom. And here, what are we going to do is to put up here some effects also to it, maybe with an outline, something like this. And the outline is going to be maybe white. This is better, so are going to add some thickness to it. So now we are going to put up here a text, one or two, for example, two person only per invitation. So we're going to put it like this. And we are going to put it as important. So we are going to put here the outline effect, the white effect, and the right there thing like this. So we are going to put it here as important like this. So we are going to click on share, download it as a PNG, get it just like this. And now we are going to wait for it to be downloaded. Now, here we are going to have it. So you can go ahead and add invitation code, for example, here after you have delivered things. So you can go ahead and put some invitation code right there. For example, invitation code, and we are going to put it here, maybe like this or something like that. I'm going to put in here invitation code, and then we are going to put it here as something white. I'm going to add this square, put it here on white or red. So we are going to put it here. So it is going to be empty, just like that. I'm going to put here just an example. And the invitation code is going to be generated, or you are going to generate the invitation code right there after you have sold this. So we are going to head over Etsy. We're going to head over to the store. Here we have the store manager or the shop manager. If you have finished the steps on Etsy, you are going to see something different. But in my case, I haven't completed this. So we are going to stock our shop. We're going to add more listing, and we're going to add it here. Obviously, we are going to put a digital file. The category is going to be invitation. So here, who made it? I did. What is it? A finished product. When was it made? I'm going to put it here, made to order. Is this how this is or this digital content created by me? Of course, you can add some production partners if you are going to be collaborating with partners or with labels. I'm going to click on save here. Now we are going to add, for example, the title, the invitation for Chris, like that, Eve party in New, for example, like that, New York. So we are going to make people get it like this. So like that, boom, and like this, or better. Now the photo is going to be here drag and dropped. I'm going to put it like this. Description we are going to have here digital. So we are going to put here the digital like this. The price is going to be here. We are going to put it as 15 euros or $15. Quantity is going to be like this. For example, it is going to be here for the quantity that you are going to be here. The place, for example, is only reserving here 200. We are going to put it like this. Tag and attributes, you can go ahead and use them. The tags, for example, it is very important invitation to put them. For example, like that. Christmas Eve party and etc. So here we have the details. Shipping is not going to be here. Now we are going to click on save and continue, and here we have made the product or the invitation to be sold on Etsy. So basically that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.